welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This PC-12 was following close behind a Black Hawk helicopter when it suddenly got caught in the helicopter's rotor downwash, almost resulting in a crash.
Whoa, 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 whoa. He caught the,
Luckily, the pilot reacted quickly and saved it. This Polish Air Force Su-22 dropping flares at an air show. This Airbus A300 making a bouncy landing in a windy Chicago. This is how de-icing a snowy Airbus A220 looks from the de-icer's perspective. For those of you who don't know what this is, it's the Airbus Beluga XL, a unique looking plane that is used to transport oversized air cargo, often plane parts. Listen to these powerful Airbus A350-900 engines during a takeoff from Hong Kong. If you want to see more, subscribe and click the video on the screen to watch another episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one.